Kugitiganite cia Uthuthuria ni thiete na mbere na kurigicura ciuria iriri mecirini ma andu aingi iguru ria mutino uri urahanikire cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kakamega muthenya wa Jumatatu na gutiga arutwo 14 makuite. Kuringana na muthuthuria wa mwiri-ini gikuo kia arutwo acio giacungiririo ni wagi wa riera riganu mwiri-ini thutha wao kurangana magikuruka njira-ini ya kuma irathi-ini.
Mauti ya wote ilisababishwa na kukosa hewa ajili ya kulaliana. Kwa kimombo tunaita suffocation.
Umwe wa arutwo aria marahonokire ciarera kumana na mukinyangano ucio aratariria ati mathiturirwo ni murutwo umwe kuma kirathi-ini gia gatano na au makiambiriria gutengera othe hamwe undu uria wacungiririe muhatikano na murangano wa arutwo.
Mwenye alikuwa na shout ni mtoto wa class 5 na huyo mtu alikuwa mahali au watoto walimuona wakianza kushout ghost, so watoto wakianza kutoroka wa class wakasahau hata vitabu, wakatoka mbio, wakaanza kuangushana kwa staircase.
Nao mainjinia aria macerete cukuru-ini ucio mihango-ini yao ya Uthuthuria maugite ati waki wa ngorofa iyo ndukinyaniri ikiro kuona kuri na njira igiri tu cia guikuruka kuma irathi-ini iria ni njeke ukiringithania na namba ya arutwo aria mahitukagira njira-ini icio no gutiri na njira ingi ya kumirira hindi ya ugwati tiga njira icio igiri.
Each stair is actually just 1.2 meters wide. That is not enough to accommodate, in case of an emergency, is not enough to accommodate the number of children. Each floor has about 450 children. So if you take the two upper floors, we are talking about 900 children trying to escape from those two stairs. So it is actually very sad and it just doesn't work.
Kwa ihinda riri arutwo eri aria magurarire mutino-ini ucio mari ward-ini ya ICU kuria marathi na mbere na kwamukira urigitani.
The remaining children who are in ICU, one is fairly doing well. He is set to be discharged from ICU anytime from now, and the other one, the girl, is still under observation, and also maybe latest tomorrow will be discharged from ICU.
Nero igongona ria mithe ya kiririkano ya arutwo aria matire mioyo yao riratabanio kiaro-ini kia Buhungu, kaunti ya Kakamega. Wa Jerometa, Inoro TV.